Hi guys, my name is Maisha and I'm a beauty director here at Sephora.
Hey guys, it's David, also a beauty director at Sephora.
Yes, and fun fact, this is our first video together.
It is, and it's a challenge.
It's a challenge with eyeshadow palettes.
Yes.
So I have the Sultry palette from Anastasia, which is gorgeous.
A beautiful cover, by the way. Hey, just alone, the cover is amazing.
Yes,
I'm like obsessed with it.
And a lipstick.
Okay, guys, and I got the Urban Decay Naked Cherry eyeshadow palette, which I know everyone is dying over.
Absolutely gorgeous.
And what's so fun about this is you actually get to choose which look you like the best. There's a little poll.
I'm voting
it's fun.
for you, David.
I'm gonna vote for you. It's friendly fun. There's neither one of us is gonna get fired. But actually, there is a way towards the end of the video, you'll see like a little icon appear on the right side of the screen. It's a little eye, yeah, right above your screen, the letter I, not an eyeball. And you can click on it and you can choose the look that you like the best. And it's for fun. Again, we just love to do this for fun. But let's jump in. We're gonna play with these eyeshadow palettes. We're gonna get you guys really inspired and excited to play with them yourselves. So let's see what looks we create.
Okay, so I'm here with Ribkey, and by now we're like close friends. So we were vibing off this look. So I was inspired by sort of like 90s supermodels. The Sultry palette from Anastasia has all these gorgeous browns and shimmery colors. So I really wanted to celebrate her eyes, but also her skin tone. So I think it's a really beautiful monochromatic look as well. So I'm gonna jump right into the products. So I would say the star of the show is the Anastasia Sultry palette. We had a lot of fun playing with this, and we actually didn't use that many colors, so it's very easy to recreate. Okay, so we went in with a little bit of black eyeliner as a base, because I always do that, and then we use Ember all over the lid, and it has this really beautiful, very neutral, almost like sagey brown quality to it, which is right on the lid, right in here. And then we went in with Dystopian right in the crease and really like all the way in. It was actually a really great contour color as well for this sort of like crease into the nose area and on the bottom. And then I highlighted the inner corner with Teak right here, which is a little bit more of a pinkier version of this bronze ember right here, and we amped up the corners and the bottom with Noir, which is like a great staple Anastasia shade that she has in a lot of her palettes that I absolutely adore. So the look was actually pretty simple to put together because the bronzes just melted really nicely into the skin, and of course I topped it off with a bit of mascara. I used the NARS CLIMAX mascara, and I really went in for multiple coats, and I did add a few falsies in there because I really wanted to be super over-the-top glam, but this really set the look up very nicely. So I didn't create a traditional cat eye here, but when I did the lashes, I just kind of went in and made sure the lash line was really nice and black and pushed the lashes further into the eye, and I feel like using a liquid liner like this one, this is the Pat McGrath's PERMA Precision Liquid Liner, just to kind of clean up that lash line and make the tight line look really good. It just really helped to achieve that look. So I love a really glowy complexion, but I did want this makeup to last all night because my hope is she goes out and parties in Hollywood tonight. So I set the makeup with the Mercier translucent powder, and this is the glow version, and this is the medium dark color. I could use the lighter one if I wanted to highlight the center of her face, but as far as the outer perimeter, this one works really well. So to complete the look, I wanted to go monochromatic, like again, 90s supermodel, like lots of rich browns, and we did the new Fenty Beauty STUNNA Lip Paint in Unveil, which is basically the most beautiful neutral nude brown for her skin tone, which I think works really well. I did use a little bit of lip liner just to kind of like edge it out a little bit, but this is mainly the Unveil color, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's long wear, but it's super comfortable, so she can still like eat and smile and do all sorts of things without worrying about her lip. So that completes the look.
All right, guys, I am so excited. I'm here with Ribkey, and this is my Urban Decay Naked Cherry Eyeshadow Palette look. So what I was really inspired about with this palette in particular is that great red shade, right? So it's this beautiful red shade, and I really wanted to make sure that that was the focus of this look because I think it's a color that's really hot. It's really great. It works on everybody's skin tone, every eye color, and it's just something that can often intimidate people. So I really wanted you to see that if you use it simply with a little bit of a accessory color, if you will, it's a great look, it's easy to wear, and it's really bold without being overbearing. Like, this looks so good on you. So let's jump in, and I'm gonna show you the colors that I chose and where I placed them. So obviously the hero here is this beautiful metallic cherry shade called Young Love, which we placed in the center of the lid. And this technique is what we call a halo. So you've got dark going around the crease and the outside and a light pop in the center, so it halos it. So you've got your Young Love metallic cherry color right here. And then I went in with Privacy, which is the darker shade, and kind of took that right around the crease. So like I said, I was using some of this Privacy shade underneath the eye and around, but there is some black eyeliner in there that I just smudged out around as like an undertone base. So if you close one second, you can see there's a little bit of darkness here from that, and then you layer over this beautiful warm eggplant-y kind of shade of that brown there, and it just works to really create a nice sort of shadow that allows this pop to come out. That cherry really comes forward and becomes the highlight, the spotlight of the eye look. And then for the brow bone, I actually used this tone here called Juicy, which is a bit of a peachy color, and especially on Ribkey's eyes here, it just adds a little pop. It brings the brow bone forward without being too overbearing. I didn't want to use any shimmers because I really wanted this to be the shimmer moment. So for mascara, I went ahead and used the new NARS CLIMAX mascara because I really wanted a lot of fullness and a lot of drama in the eyelashes. That's really what's giving you the depth and the foundation on this look. So you got that really nice black mascara. And then finally, we topped the whole look off with our Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. We love this gloss. It is a fantastic universal gloss. It works on everybody's skin tone. It's just a beautiful nude with a touch of shimmer in it. And it's just a great way to finish off a look like this. So when you have something that's like a fun color like a red, it's a really great way to balance it by just using a nice neutral lip. And a little gloss always makes things a little more festive. Okay guys, that was so much fun.
Yes. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. It was a pleasure to work on her.
Yes.
Amazing skin.
Yes.
The colors both looked absolutely gorgeous.
These eyeshadow palettes are so good. I'm in love with the cherry tones in this. I'm a big fan of red. I've said it.
Yes.
I've always said it. I love red eyeshadows. And what's great about this is there's great supporting neutrals in here. There's great tones that are really wearable. You can go bold. You can go wearable daytime.
That one.
Yeah, it's really a lot of good choices in here. I hope I was able to inspire you guys. I thought your look was incredible.
I went first because I knew I was going to be like so into yours that I was going to like subconsciously channel you. But yeah, I really love this palette. I feel like especially if you have deeper skin and you want to get into the pinks, but everything looks kind of like candy,
ashy.
like lollipop ashy on you. This is a really great palette. And I love mine. I'm a proud owner of every Anastasia palette there is. And I carry it with me everywhere I go. So I just think this is such a gorgeous staple palette. It looks amazing on her. All the bronzes melted into her skin. So I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. No matter what skin tone you are, what eye shape you have, these are going to be great palettes to add to your collection.
Yeah, I think they're really good new palettes to try out. I think there's going to be a lot of people who are going to fall in love with them.
Yes.
Now, don't forget, guys, like we said in the beginning of the video, you can now click on the little eye over here, and you can take the poll on which of the looks is more you, which one you feel more like you gonna wear out for the night. Fun, I love it. I can't wait. And remember, it's all friendly. We love each other. We're not fighting. Don't forget to leave us comments in the comment section below because we both love to hear from you guys.
And if you have questions, since we kind of skimmed over the looks, please ask us. We'll break everything down for you.
For sure.
And it's always subscribe so you don't miss fun stuff like this. And we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.